Hey guys, if you want to see how I got this vibrant fall hair color, then keep on watching. So I'm using a 360 lace front wig from Ygwigs, and they sent this out to me. And in the package I got a wig cap, 2 hair clamps, this little package with a piece of elastic so you can attach to your wig for extra security, and also 2 extra wig combs. This is just, their brochure that is in the box as well, showing you how to care for the hair. So the actual hair came in this little pouch and in a plastic baggie, and it's a Brazilian 360 lace front wig and the Waterwave, and it's an 18-inch wig. So I'm just showing you what it looks like directly out of the pack. So I just put the wig onto my wig head. I'm just showing you what the curls look like. It's kind of curly but not. It's kind of curly and straight at the same time. I don't know how to explain it, but yeah, that's what it looks like. So I'm sorry you didn't see the clip. Some of my files got corrupted, so I apologize. But I am just going to bleach my hair, and I use 30 volume developer and some bleaching powder, the regular BW2 bleaching powder. I will leave everything in the description box, but yeah, that's what I used. And I'm just going to apply that to the hair in sections. I'm not trying to do this perfectly because I wanted it to have different shades, highlights and lowlights, the easy way. So I was just trying to just coat my hair as much as possible and kind of have darker and lighter pieces in between. And don't mind my little raggedy dress. This is my designated wig making, hair bleaching dress. Okay, as you can tell, it already has some stains and stuff on it, so just ignore that. You're going to see that a lot in this video and many others to come. Okay, so I'm just combing through the wig with the bleach in it, and I actually just left it on for like another 10-15 minutes because I didn't want it to bleach too much. So this is what it looks like after bleaching. I just washed it out with some shampoo. This is what it looks like. As you can tell, it has like different shades in there. I don't know if you can tell, but yeah, there's some darker pieces and some lighter pieces. And now it's time to color. So I'm using the Adore hair dye. I'm using Cajun spice and paprika. And I use the water boiling or the water method or whatever it's called. But this was my first time doing it, and it was like the easiest dye job ever. So as you can see, I just poured the hair dye into the water, and make sure you get every drop of that dye. Okay, I want all my money's worth. Okay, so put some water in that and shake it up and make sure you get all of your dye. And I don't know if you guys can tell, but this water is boiling hot water. Okay, so be very careful. So I'm just adding a bit of my favorite conditioner. You can use whatever conditioner you feel like using, or you don't have to use conditioner at all, honestly, because my conditioner just sat at the top of the water for some reason. It was a waste of time, but yeah. So I'm just stirring all that dye, and then I'm just going to dunk my wig into that pot, and I'm just going to stir it for like 5 to 10 minutes. I stirred it for like 5 minutes, and I left it in there for like another 5 minutes, and then I took it out, shampooed, conditioned it, and I was done. So this is what it looks like. The color came out really good, exactly how I wanted it to. You can't really tell how bright it is wet, but this is what it looks like dry. I kind of just combed it out a bit because I wasn't a fan of just that, you know, loose kind of wave, but not really a wave. So I'm using the Beyond the Zone gel. I'm not a fan of this gel. I bought it because I wanted to try something else, but I'm not a fan. It did work, but I'm not a fan. So yeah, so I'm just going to apply that to my hairline with my finger. I'm not going to apply too much. Just enough for my wig to adhere to my head. And I'm also going to use the Got to Be Free spray for some added stickiness, I guess. I'm just going to fan that until it is tacky. And again, I apologize, some of my files got corrupted. And I applied my wig, and I just used these wrap strips, and I tied that so that my hair can dry, well, so that the glue or the gel could dry. And I decided to flat iron my hair. I didn't put any product in it. I just went ahead and flat ironed it just like this. So now I'm just going to put a slight bump at the front of my hair, just for, you know, some volume, and use my wand curler just to flatten the front of my hair, and that is it, guys. So I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video. Mwah.